In this video, I will show you how to create a crypto newsfeed in Google Sheets. And also, I will show you how to automate the Google Sheets to send daily crypto news updates to your inbox. However, this is not limited to cryptocurrency. You can use this method to create a personalized newsfeed in any subject you preferred. First, you need to find a set of RSS feed URLs of websites that provide crypto-related news. RSS is a web feed that allows users and applications to access updates to websites in a standardized, computer-readable format. Let's see how to find RSS feed URL of a website. Around 40% of the website is created with WordPress content management system. You can get the RSS feed URL of a WordPress-based website by adding /feed to the end of the URL. Some websites use the RSS logo to show their RSS feed URLs. If you click on this logo, it will take you to the website's RSS feed. If none of the previous methods works, try searching the RSS link in the page source. Right-click on a blank area of the page and select View Page Source option. Then press Ctrl+F and type RSS or feed and search for some RSS URLs. The RSS feed is in XML format, and it is not created for humans. You need to have a feed reader to convert it to a human-readable format. In Google Sheets, you can use the Import Feed function to import RSS feeds to tabular format. Now let's create the crypto newsfeed. I am going to use the RSS feed URLs on the screen to create the newsfeed. First, I'm going to create separate sheet for each URL. Then import all the news and the news to each sheet using the import feed function. The first parameter is the RSS feed URL you found earlier. Leave the second parameter as we need to import all the elements in the RSS feed. By providing true for the third parameter, you can import the header of each field as column headers. Later, we are going to filter this news by date. For this, we need to have a date column. We can extract the news date from the date created field. Insert the formula on the screen in the first cell of the date column to extract the date from the date created field. Let's create a new sheet to import today's news from these news feeds. I'm going to import only the title, URL, and date created columns to the sheet. RSS feed of a website contains its latest news. So, it may contain news older than today's date. Let's import the title, URL, and date created columns of today's news to our new sheet. For this, you can use the Google Sheets query function. Now you need to combine all news from other sheets also to this range. In Google Sheets, you can join multiple ranges to one continuous range, in other words an array, by using curly brackets. You need to separate each range by using semicolons to stack these ranges in one column. This query formula returns an error if it could not find matching rows. As a result, this array also returns an error. You can eliminate this by including these ranges inside if error function. If the query formula returns an error, you need to return an empty array. You can also add a meaningful message inside this array. Similarly, you need to wrap all the ranges inside the array with the if-error function. In some RSS feed, there are only a few news items that are related to you. In that case, you can use a set of keywords to find the related news. In Google Sheets query function, you can use the matches operator to search news items which include the keywords. Now your crypto newsfeed is ready. You can go to the news page by clicking the relevant URL. However, it is more convenient if you can receive this table to your email at a preferred interval. You can do this with Google Apps Script. To open Google Apps Script, go to Extension and select Apps Script. Then go to this blog post from the link in the description and copy the code snippet. Then replace the code in the Apps Script file with it. Then change the name of the sheet. And the email address which you need to receive the crypto updates. Then click the Save button. Click Run to execute the code. It'll request your authorization when you run the code for the first time. Now check the email and you should have received the newsfeed as a HTML table in your inbox. Go back to Apps Script and click Triggers. Then, click Add Trigger button in the bottom right corner. For the event source, select Time Driven. For the type of time-based trigger, select Day Timer to receive 1 email per day. Then select the time of the day you want to receive the email and click Save. Now it will automatically send you the crypto updates to your inbox.